Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's about 10 a.m. Just left the shop. Headed to McDermott Chevy to meet Gio. We got something cool planned for you guys today. Just pulling up to McDermott Chevy now. Shout out to them having one of the biggest flags I know. Hey, look, it's Gio.
I don't know where to park this bus.
I don't know where to park either. Go put
a bus. I don't know where to park this bus. The Squidmobile has arrived. Today we're doing something a little exciting. First of all, yeah. So why are we here? Well, Bryce over at ACI has informed us that there is an allocation to order a C8 because somebody actually backed out. Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna order a C8 Corvette and it should be here end of March, early April. So we were in luck, boys. Let's go.
That's fat.
Are you Jake?
How you doing, Jake? How you doing, man?
ACI? Yeah. We're really close, and I'm actually supposed to go there today. But I told him I want a C8, and we do giveaways. So we basically buy the vehicle, make it look awesome, and I wanted a C8. I told him I wanted a C8, and that they were also the owner had 2 ordered, I believe.
We have 2
for the owner.
Yeah.
And then he said that there's an allocation now.
We have a person that canceled.
So I placed my order now.
Yeah, so you can.
So we can build it completely.
I can build you whatever you want to. Yeah, yeah.
And how long?
So I'm thinking the build is going to be sometime early May.
What was this guy? What was his place in line?
14 on order. He was going to be number 15.
Definitely black.
I do not care.
What are the true? I don't even know.
1 LT, 2 LT, 3 LT. 1 LT is being base. 2 LT is going to have different leather options. 3 LT is going to have your highest trim level.
Well, if they have it aftermarket already.
Carbon fiber would have been an option on all the trim levels. You can get carbon fiber inside. Like I said, the carbon fiber surround.
Oh, you can get it inside.
That's what I'm saying, inside.
So you go with the regular GT1 seat, which would be your base seat. Then you're going to have these 3 color options.
GT3, the comp seat. The comp seat. It's not. They're not so much more. They're just different. You get different two-tone.
Oh, is it possible to do the outside red and then the inside black?
Blood red's always like the easiest thing to do.
What about the blue?
Bryce, you doing a wide body kit and everything?
Yeah,
We're getting
definitely gonna worry about it.
So
You guys are getting the ones customized, right?
to him. He's gonna do a bunch of stuff to it.
Blue is 3LT.
The blue automatically kicks you to 3LT.
I think just stay basic with black, so we can't go wrong with the red.
I just think red. Red's
Red?
Just, yeah. Black and
I
red.
think black. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool as well. It's like more subtle.
you get a
Look at the
two-tone, too, with the black.
bright red stitching as well.
Got a little red.
With the perforated inserts, so it should be black insides. Or on it. All red does look cool.
It does look cool. Carbon fiber dual
It
roof.
comes with the roof panel color roof. You could do transparent. You could do a carbon fiber with the body color surround. You're doing black, so it
On a
doesn't
coupe?
matter. LED lights to illuminate the engine. The carbon fiber accent panel.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know about the LED
I
lights.
didn't know about that.
It's
but
like
I
a 720.
I like
You
that.
do
That
it
one.
comes with black. So this would be what it would come with. This would be adding.
Yeah, let's do the red.
The first one that we tried building a yellow car with a blue interior, and it wouldn't let us build it in the factory wouldn't let us build it for whatever reason.
Really?
That's why I was saying you could build stuff on that visualizer.
That'll be a crazy,
Crazy
yellow and blue.
Yeah.
That's like it's like the ZR1
So
sort of deal.
We have a Ferrari wrapped in satin green. It looks.
That's what I told him. I wanted to look a lime green. I think something at the factory
Look at
won't.
the
I saw this.
the body lines on that.
I saw this car up there. So we plan is just keep one throughout the year. Just show it. Take it every show we can show
it on
it.
the lot.
Keep it. Blast ridiculous numbers. Someone wants to buy it, great. If not, we're gonna show it all winter, all summer, and do whatever. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably do wheels just because it's easy. They took everything away.
So there's no.
They started building 2 weeks ago, right?
Yep.
And the plan was they're going to start building 1 car an hour, and they're going to ramp up to 11.5 cars an hour. They gave us production weeks, and we had a couple in early March, a couple in late March, a bunch in April. You'll probably be late April or May, something like that.
Yeah.
The car, once it's built, it'll be here in 2 weeks. Now, right
shipping's the
now,
longest time.
when they're being built, no, shipping's quick with these cars. Everything else, Chevrolet-wise, they come on rail.
Chevy factory.
For Corvette, only Corvette is in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
So now it's done when it's done.
It's just kind of blind. You know what I mean?
All
We
right.
get codes, we'll know when it gets to 3,200, it means it's going in the build.
3,200 what?
It'll be a Chevrolet build code. So we're in the first 3 weeks at least.
Wow.
So
well, cool. At least we're not that far back.
yeah.
Awesome.
All right, man.
Thanks for coming in.
So, first time for everything. So, C8 is ordered.
Woo! This is a picture.
With the polo.
With the flag too.
So we have the build sheet here. So basically what happened, if you guys didn't get what just went on inside, they had about 40 orders, and basically they'll send out an order. After that order, they send out the next. They don't send them out all at the same time. They got to number 14. Number 15, the person who ordered 15th in line, is he dropped out. He basically didn't want the car anymore. So Bryce, our connect over at ACI, basically said that they had number 15 drop out and they have an allocation now. So we are 15 of 40 ordered at McDermott. Our order is basically being placed today, and we should be seeing it in the next month or two. Said by May. 2 months.
2 months.
Either way,
We'll have the car by summer.
fair warning to all the YouTubers that got their C8s that think they're gonna be badass.
You got nothing coming.
Just wait. Just a little
BRB.
A little call out to the TJ Hunt's cool. I like the wide body C8 that he has the rendering on. I don't know what Street Speed's doing. Those are the two. They have 16 and 13. But we're gonna get it done quick, and it's going to be
A ripper.
probably twin turbo it, probably. Either way, it's gonna be badass. But C8's ordered, and we have a lot more vlogs to do today, so we're gonna cut this one here because we just wanted to get this one out to you guys. So we're gonna go continue to do vlogs throughout the rest of the day, and that will be up this weekend. This one will be going up tonight. Actually, today's Thursday. So today is your absolute last day to enter to win the Porter's Choice giveaway, where you can win 1 of 9 products. A set of American Force wheels, which 2 people will win, a MacBook Pro, an Apple Watch, an iPhone 11 Pro Max, 2 GoPro Hero 8 Black Editions, and 2 Canon G7X is the camera that we're using right now. So those 9 products, 9 of you are gonna win, as well as get entered to win that Cummins plus $20,000 and the Ferrari and $30,000. So if you guys want to win any of that stuff, after you see this video, you'll probably have about 3 hours to get entered for that stuff. If you want a high chance of winning something like that and just get some badass apparel, this isn't an LG&E shirt. If you want to get some badass apparel, click the link below this video and stay tuned, because this C8's gonna be badass.